Hi Leslie, so I'm going to make just a very little video of how it is your doll right now. Um, I have fixed the reproducer with the little loudspeaker. Then I make several fixes with the spring. Some gears were not aligned. Well, several different things. Nothing too serious. One arm was bent, and but well, it is starting to walk and to sing. There's still an issue with the feet. I have to open the feet because there's a ratchet inside them that one is working, but the other I think is not working. So it does not work correctly. But let's see how it is right now. Uh, to start it, you have to push this lever downwards and forwards. So here it is. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.